discuss the atomic structure and atomic theory. This atomic structure was discovered by John Dalton in the year 1803. First, let us discuss what is an atom. An atom is the smallest unit of matter composed of a tiny dense center known as the nucleus. This nucleus contains positively charged protons and neutral neutrons, which are surrounded by negatively charged electrons orbiting around the nucleus. The number of protons in an atom's nucleus determines its element, while the arrangement of this electron dictates its chemical behavior. This nucleus is less than the 10,000th the size of the atom. This nucleus contains more than 99.9% of the mass of the atom. Now let's discuss what is atomic number. The number of protons in an atom's nucleus is known as the atomic number. Mass number. The total number of electrons, protons, neutrons together are known as the mass number. Now let's discuss parts of them. There are three parts of atoms. There are protons, electrons and neutrons. First, let's discuss the protons. Proton is a type of red green color blindness that occurs when the red sensing cone occurs in the eyes are impaired or missing. So it is a deficiency in the proton. This deficiency is also known as proton's color deficiency. These protons are discovered by the Ernest Rutherford in the year 1919. Now let's discuss the electrons. An electron has a negative charge, which is one of the most important particles of an atom. It is one of the most basic particles to make up an whole atom with protons and neutrons. These electrons are discovered by the Joseph John Thomson in the year 1897. Now let's discuss the neutrons. A neutron is a neutral subatomic particle which is found in every atom's nucleus. It is one of the most important particles that makes up an atom with protons and electrons. These neutrons are discovered by the Sir James Chadwick in the year 1932. Now let's discuss properties of them. Properties of protons. Protons have a positive charge which is equal to the charge of these electrons. Protons are found in every atom's nucleus. Protons are different by both electrical field and magnetic field. Now let's discuss the properties of electrons. Electrons are found in every atom and is one of the most important particles. An electron has a negative charge which is equal to the charge of protons. Now let's discuss the neutrons. A neutron does not have any charge which makes it nuclear, but it is found in every atom's nucleus. Now let's read what is atomic theory. An atomic theory is a scientific theory composed of a tiny particles known as the atoms. Thank you.